I've talked about too many vehicles, so let me go to pick up my new heavy mountain bike. When I was young, my downhill bike was heavier than this one. Since my zeros is reducing when my age is growing, I can no longer ride a heavy bike that mine is too old. This is a new bike with newest techniques which costs 40,000 yuan. Let's take a look at how advanced the techniques are now. There is much knowledge. The brand is Canadel and its series is Enduro. A can of heavy mountain bikes. For back of this can, the whole frame is made of carbon fiber, including the handlebar. Only the front fork is not made of carbon fiber, but aluminum alloy. The front fork is 180 mm long. Because of its length, we can use it for downhill. It feels so cool rushing downhill. The configurations of the front fork is simpler than car suspension. The black button in the middle is used for adjusting the compacting speed. It's more compact at low speed. The blue button is used for adjusting the compacting speed in the large compact at rapid speed. What's more, it's an air fork, which pumps air in. Its spring back is controlled solely by oil. The high-end front fork also has a pressure relief valve, which may let out air generated by frequent vibrations. It's only for high-end front forks, and normally is not simpler than a car's suspension. But more complex. Baby, check this side. There is one more flywheel with main pelvis, which may stretch the chain in riding, so it won't go off easily. Meanwhile, the force on the chain is offside. But the tendon are pulled here, so the pedal can be more flat, so your stretch can focus on controlling the back. Oh, black tags. Check the flywheel at the back. There are 12 groups of them, so it's a mountain bike of 12 speed. Why so many groups? Because it's a bit different from a downhill bike and not always used for downhill. It's a 1 in 5 chance of riding on flat ground. When riding it, you may change the speed to go upward. Then, take a look at its back damper. Here is a span axis. This is a connected rod, axis, a rod, an axis, a rod, so it's a structure of 4 to 5 axes. It's used more exercise to reduce the disruption generated by the move in the riding. Since one may ride it on the flat ground, if I push it with my left hand, the seat tube may pop itself. When I push it and press down with my body, it goes down. It's helpful when you try to rush down. Many missuspect if its small brake pad can stop the back. It's a hydraulic disc brake, as for pistons in all, which push face to face to clamp the desk. The two brakes at the front and the back of it are all of 200 mm in diameter. Pretty large desks, so it has 8 pistons, more than the pistons of your car. Because your car's brake only has 2, the brake system is impressive. And last, the tires. First of all, the treads of 2 tires are different. The front for the guidance and the back are leather treads for traction. The hardness of the blocks on the side and the front are different. The middle ones are hard for wear resisting sake and a better traction. The ones on both sides are softer, so they may generate more traction to grasp the mat. Such a tire costs 500 or 600 yuan, which is not cheaper than car. The handlebar is not exactly a round one, but a bit oblate. It has 2 mirrors. First is oblate shape. It's like a plain wing which may reduce the wind drag. Second, an oblate handlebar may offer a slight elasticity, which means the handlebar may slightly reduce the pressure on the arm. During constant small shakes, it's almost a premium version. If you think there are some places to be upgraded or changed, tell me in the comment section. I'm taking it away today and go to the house.